Essential skills for a cloud engineer. To become a proficient cloud engineer, you'll need to build a strong foundation of skills. Here's a step-by-step guide on what to learn, how long each skill typically takes to master, and why it's important. Let's break it down. Mastering cloud platforms. The first skill to focus on is mastering a cloud platform. While you can eventually become proficient in multiple platforms, it's recommended to start with one. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are the most widely used. Depending on your chosen platform, it can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months to gain a solid understanding. Here's a suggested timeline. Month 1, Introduction to the platform. Start by getting familiar with the platform's dashboard, basic services, and terminology. Set up a free account and begin experimenting with different tools. Month 2 to 3, Core services and infrastructure. Focus on learning about virtual machines, storage options, and networking within the platform. This phase is crucial as it forms the backbone of any cloud infrastructure. Month 4 to 5, Advanced services and automation. Move on to more advanced services like auto-scaling, load balancing, and serverless computing. Learn how to automate tasks using the platform's native tools. Month 6, Specialization and projects. Specialize in areas like security, data analytics, or DevOps within your chosen platform. Work on small projects to apply what you've learned, such as deploying a web application or setting up a secure network. Understanding data storage and security. Data storage and security are the cornerstones of cloud engineering. This phase is vital as it ensures that the data managed in the cloud is accessible and secure. Expect to spend 2 to 3 months mastering these skills. Month 7, Data storage solutions. Learn about the various data storage options available, such as relational databases, object storage, and block storage. Understand when and how to use each type. Practice setting up and managing these storage solutions on your chosen cloud platform. Month 8, Data security fundamentals. Dive into the basics of cloud security, including encryption, identity and access management, IAM, and firewalls. Learn how to implement these security measures to protect data, both at rest and in transit. Month 9, Compliance and data governance. Study the importance of compliance frameworks like GDPR and HIPAA. Understand how to ensure that cloud deployments meet these standards, particularly in industries like healthcare and finance. Networking in the cloud. A virtual network setup, including subnets, IP addresses, and firewalls, with a focus on integrating these into cloud services. Networking is the glue that holds cloud infrastructure together. To effectively integrate cloud services, you'll need a strong understanding of networking concepts. Dedicate 2 months to this area. Month 10, Networking basics. Begin with the fundamentals, IP addressing, DNS, and routing. These concepts are crucial for understanding how data moves through networks and how to manage them within a cloud environment. Month 11, Virtual networks and security. Progress to virtual networks, including VPNs, subnets, and network security groups. Learn how to create and configure these networks in your cloud platform. This knowledge is critical for setting up secure, scalable cloud environments. Programming for the cloud. Programming is an essential skill for automating tasks and developing cloud-based applications. Depending on your familiarity with coding, this might take 4 to 6 months. Month 12 to 13, Learning a programming language. Start with a cloud-friendly language like Python. Focus on the basics, variables, loops, functions, and object-oriented programming. Python is popular in the cloud space due to its versatility and ease of use. Month 14, Cloud-specific development. Learn how to write code that interacts with cloud services. For instance, you can write a Python script to automate the deployment of a virtual machine or a storage service. Understanding how to integrate your code with cloud APIs will be invaluable. Month 15 to 16, Advanced programming and automation. Explore advanced programming concepts like multi-threading asynchronous programming, and API development. Work on building cloud-native applications that can scale and perform efficiently in a cloud environment. Operating systems. Finally, a deep understanding of operating systems, particularly Linux and Windows, is crucial. This knowledge forms the foundation for managing the underlying infrastructure that supports cloud services. Allocate 2 months to this area. Month 17, Linux Fundamentals. Start with Linux, as it is the most widely used operating system in cloud environments. Learn basic commands, shell scripting, and how to manage processes, users, and permissions. Month 18, Windows Server and Integration. While Linux is dominant, many enterprise environments still rely on Windows. Gain familiarity with Windows Server, Active Directory, and PowerShell scripting. Understanding both systems will make you versatile in different cloud environments. In summary, becoming a proficient cloud engineer is a journey that takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. Here's how you can structure your learning over an 18-month period. Cloud Platform Mastery. 6 months, Data Storage and Security. 3 months. Networking. 2 months. Programming. 4 to 6 months. Operating Systems. 2 months. By following this roadmap, you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled cloud engineer, ready to tackle the challenges of building and maintaining cloud infrastructure. Ready to start your journey as a cloud engineer? Be sure to check out the resources linked below and subscribe for more tech career tips and insights.